Hello and welcome to our next video. In the previous video, we learned how to make a simple word search exercise. There were two things that were necessary for us. The first one was to create the shape, and the second one was to make the shape semi-transparent so that the words in this exercise can be visible. What we are going to learn now is how to make this exercise available for our students, especially if you teach on one-on-one basis. You may find it really attractive. It could be used also with groups of people. Maybe what we could be complaining about is the fact that you need to copy this document multiple times if you have a group of people and you want to send one document only for each student. There are many platforms that have this possibility to upload a certain exercises online, and the computer checks whether it has been completed correctly. The advantage of Google Drive, though, is the fact that they might be done real time, so you might be running some online lessons and doing the exercise with your students, and that's the great advantage. You may see what they drag, what they have selected, how they do it, and you might be helping them. This is what I mentioned in our previous video. The role of the teacher is to be not only the teacher, not only the controller, but also the facilitator and the participant. And this is what we may do when it comes to online teaching and Google Drive. Fantastic tool. So let's get down to the business. What we need to do is to make this document accessible for our students. To do so, what we need to do is to click over here in the right hand corner, share. This is what we need to do. Mine settings have already been changed, but what I need to do is to invite a person. So this is me. For data protection, I include myself. Then we need to click over here. This circle will change its color into green, and then we need to remember that there are a few other functions. So only specific people can access, especially if it's something that you want to be protected. Of course, anyone with the link can edit, so only if you send it to another person it can be accessed. Of course, it can comment, or anyone with the link can view. If you want the learner to participate in this exercise, anyone with the link can edit is the one that you should choose. And then you send. What you may also do is just to click over here, because this is a specific, unique address of our document. For this reason, you may just copy it, and if you chat with anybody, this is what you may also refer them to, so that they can quickly move on to and upload the document. It's not necessary to send it to their email address. And it's done. I've already shared this document with myself, which could be done especially with those young learners who do not have their own private email accounts. It could be shared with anybody who even does not have the Gmail account. And what is also important is the fact that these documents can be quickly downloaded later on or printed, especially if somebody is going to learn based on these materials. Well, I will give you some other details, especially those concerning the purpose and the evaluation of such an exercise. So please go to the next video, and thank you for watching.